And all right, now I want to show you my new lamp. But if you know me, you know I love to mod things. You know, I put magnets on everything, or I do something to it. I make my own cases or whatnot. But all right, let me get right to that. All right, guys, here's the headlamp that I normally use. It's an Energizer that I picked up at Home Depot. And you know, those are the ones like you see standing in the line. But it's actually a good little lamp. But I'm here to tell you, what, pow! There's the new Borat right there, guys, and man, 10,000 looms. I just had to have that. And if you know me, like I said, you know, I love to modify stuff. And what I did was I took one of my Emerson Climate Technologies, one of my old hats, and I kind of took like some zip ties and got it on there where it's fitted all well. And I think this is going to turn out great. You know, it might kind of be funny to look at, but I'm here to tell you, I'm going to go down in the basement and show it. My basement's like blacked out down there, and I'm going to show you how well this lights up my furnace. But I just think that's the cat's pajamas, guys. And I'm here to tell you, you know, as soon as I got this, I had to open it. And then I said, I'm going to have to modify this. But, okay, guys, we're down here to my American Standard. Let's go ahead and try the Energizer one. It's all the way on. All right, guys. All right, let me grab my new one. Here's the first click. Look at that. The first click is 10 times brighter than the Ultimate on the Energizer. Second click. Third click. Look at that, man. Heck, I won't even need a drop light. You got a little black light effect. Let's dance. Put on your red dance. Ain't that something, guys? Man, I am digging this. Alright, guys, wanted to try out the headlamp out front here. Wish it was a little darker, but my house is kind of lit up. But all right, let's give it a shot here. There's one click. There's Sarge in the window. There's two clicks. There's the third click. Well, I'm here to tell you, man, this is amazing. Let's dance, Sarge. Wow. Man, I absolutely love this lamp. All right, guys.